Hey guys, Stab in the Eye here. The lock I have for you today is a tiny padlock. Luckily I have two of them to show you. The first problem that presented itself to me initially was, how am I going to tension these things? The keyways are so tiny. And for comparison, I have here an American lock 1100 series padlock. These keys do work. And the cores are locked. So, here's the following methods I developed in order to open them. Method number one was, initially I just put the tension wrench in and turned, and it just lifted all the key pins up, and it just worked. Method number two was, well, I wanted to pick this thing, and wasn't too satisfied with just tensioning it. So I figured I might as well do the other half of the equation. So I just stuck my pick in, lifted, and turned. And we're open. Get you a good shot at the bitting here. So this has been my two tiny padlocks, tensioned and somewhat picked. Thanks for checking it out, and I hope you have a great day.